Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on the application of LinkedIn. We go to settings as you see. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about LinkedIn. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your